Hi guys, welcome to Nurture Tech Academy. My name is Lokesh. In this video, we'll see how to edit or delete a macro. Now, the important part is that in the earlier videos we have already discussed that there are three places where we can store a macro. This workbook, new workbook, and personal macro work. Now, it is easier to edit or delete if you edit or delete a macro if you save it in this workbook or in a new workbook. But if you save as we have done that, we have saved all the macros till now in a personal macro workbook. So if I show that dialog box, which is Alt F8, now this one, if I try to edit or delete any of the macro which is available in personal macro workbook, let's say if I choose it and try to delete it, or show me a message which is, it can't edit a macro in a hidden workbook. As I told you, a personal macro workbook is always open in your system, but it's always hidden. So we're gonna see in this video from where we can unhide a personal macro workbook and how we can delete a macro or edit a macro. Now, if I if you go to the option and let's say take out this description out. Okay, so that much we can actually do now. But what about the macro part? Okay, see, edit, see this, it is showing you an error. It's all about we have to unhide this workbook first, and then only we can delete or edit a macro. Now the way to just look at it, the way to unhide it is just go to the view tab, and here you can see under the Windows group we can see this unhide option. If you just click over here, it will show a dialog box that contain all the workbook which are hidden right now. Okay, you can see the personal is written over here. If you just click OK, so now see this is a personal macro work, and you can see the difference is that the normal default setting in Excel is that a normal book, if you open a new workbook, it contains 3 sheets, but it contains only work. So do not try to work in this particular workbook and send it away. So just this workbook is solely dedicated to the macros. It's just save the macros. Now if you just press Alt F8 like I'm doing it right now, see this, I have the list of all the macros which were there earlier we have seen, but personal is not written over there because we are standing in this particular workbook. So that is why personal is not written over here. Now you can freely edit a macro. See this coding part. We already discussed this, so leave it, and we can actually, if I just delete it, will ask me. I just don't want to delete it right now. I just wanted to show that if you press yes, it will be deleted from the memory of Excel. So I'm not doing it right now, but this is the way we can actually delete or edit a macro which is saved in a personal workbook. So that's it, guys. That's about it. We're gonna see a lot more regarding macros, but make sure that before you are leaving this particular workbook, please hide it. That is really very important. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So that's it, guys. If you want to buy the package of whole DVD tutorial, you can just visit to this particular website. There are a lot of tutorial available over here, and you can order the same. So thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye.